How to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to find out if someone only sent you a Snapchat. This is a quick and easy guide, so make sure you watch until the end to get all the details. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to view all your conversations. Here's the key part: if someone sends you a snap, you'll notice a square or rectangle icon next to their name. If the snap hasn't been opened yet, the icon will appear in one of two colors. Purple, this means they sent you a video snap. Red, this means they sent you a photo snap. But if they only send a chat message, you'll see a blue chat bubble instead. When you tap on the snap to open it, it'll either play a video or show a photo. If no text is included, that's how you know they only send a snap without any additional messages. Here are a few pro tips for you. 1. If someone sends a snap and deletes it, you might not see it unless you open it in time. 2. If you don't respond to snaps frequently, the sender might send fewer in the future, so stay engaged if you want to keep the conversation going. And that's it. Now you know how to check if someone only sent you a Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.